Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Thursday, February 19th, 2015. I wanted to go over a trade that I took last week and closed out today. We made 11+%, actually 11.64% in the research center in 1 week on this trade. And I always like to teach my methods through showing how I took it, why I took it. This chart and the stock was ARNA, Arena Pharmaceuticals, and you can see here just over the last few days it's really had a great run. We sold today at $4.89 for, again, 11.64%. Now, if we go to the daily chart, I want to flip over to the daily chart here and show you what I saw on the chart, which made me want to get in this trade last week. All right, and basically what I was seeing is this. You had this huge move to the upside. Anytime you see a move to the upside, you never want to buy up here. All right, that's chasing. That's a fool's errand. You'll ultimately lose money 9 out of every 10 times, maybe even 10 out of every 10 times. The point is you want to wait for a retrace, and that's what I did. I patiently waited for it to fall all the way in to the lowest key support level right here. Now, you see how you had the 50 moving average here? All right, now you got a small bounce at the 20, but the 20 wasn't a big enough pullback. You weren't into a big enough support level for me, so I wanted to wait for the 50 moving average, and ultimately this is where I picked it up, right at this level. Now, it wasn't just the 50 moving average for the reasoning behind buying it here. All right, part of it was a retrace, so you're looking at from this low close to this high, you have to look at a percentage retrace. The other aspect was this consolidation right here. See how you made this choppy sideways action? All right, when a chart goes sideways like that, what it's telling you, it's building a level. All right, think about it as putting brick after brick up for a wall. So brick, 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 brick. When there's one like this, all right, well, there's just one brick. It's easy to get through that one. But when you have multiple bricks being laid, this level becomes a very strong level. Okay? And ultimately, that's what I was noticing. So if you look at this retrace on the inside bar action, you came right in. And if I put a trend line right there at the highs of this range, that's that point right there. So that was my buy signal right there. I picked it up. We held it for literally a week, week and a half here, and up it goes, and we sold today. Why am I selling here today? Well, you're starting to come into a little bit of resistance. You can see this pivot low here and this little area right here. So you're getting into resistance. My point here is that I always like to take profits off the table when I get close to levels or into levels. Because, again, greed will ultimately be your downfall. You want to be smart. And what they say and what my mantra is you never went broke taking a profit. So always smart to take profits off the table when you get into decent little resistance levels like in this case. And listen, if it goes higher, who cares? Point is, I just made over 11.5% on this trade in basically a week, week and a half. I'm good to go. My members made the same amount. I've already issued a new trade alert today, which we're already making money on. I can't stress that enough, folks. Literally, if you've been a Research Center member since the beginning of 2015, if you add up all the gains in 2015 that I bought and sold, 200% gain on stocks, 200%, and we're basically 6 weeks into the year. That's on pace. Think about what we're on pace for. Well over 1,000% gain. And by the way, I never suggest putting all your money into a single play. So you literally, in my opinion, a conservative trader or investor would put 10% of their portfolio in each of my plays. Even at 10%, you're already up 20% for the year. Think about that, folks. 20% if you're a Research Center member for the year. Just putting 10% of your account in each of my plays. All right, think about it mapped out. That's over 100% on your net portfolio if we continue at this performance level. Now, I'm going to have a loser here and there, no doubt about it. The point is lose small, win big, all right, and win a lot. Have a great afternoon. Come join us. 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You're nuts not to take it, folks. 7-day free. You probably make enough to pay for 5 years of the membership, and you're 7 days free. So worth it, in my opinion. Get on the boat. Start making money like our members. Take care.